What is going on, everybody? Today we have another new knife from, well, technically this is an old knife. It's been around for a while. This is the Kershaw Cryo II Tanto. I'm not a huge fan of assisted knives, and this is an assisted knife, but the biggest reason for getting this is that this is a Hinderer design. So, designed after a American maker. So there you go. There's your name and model number and everything else. You can still get this knife. It's still available out there at quite a few locations. It's in Tanto blackwash. It just totally slid out of its bag there. Okay, it comes with just some booklet in there. We don't care about any of that, so we'll get rid of that. So there you go. That is comes with thumb studs on both sides, which you really can't get to the, yeah, I guess you can a little bit. It's a little tricky getting to the other, the flipper tab. Yeah, so it's pretty stiff for an assisted opening. That's the biggest reason I don't like assisted knives is the fact that, just take a little more time in machining a knife and actually putting a detent into a knife. You don't need it. Recessed screws would have been nice on there, but this is an older knife. Right now it's like $30. Does have a nice edge. Kershaw Speed Safe on the blade there, and patented Hinderer design. This is a design actually after the Hellfire, Hinderer's Hellfire Tanto, which they made years ago. That's what this is. The blade is designed to take after. So I was just interested in really just kind of in general checking this knife out and seeing how it really does hold up for a less expensive budget knife. This was actually expensive when it first came out. I think it was something like $70. So it was a little more expensive when it first came out. Centering seems to be good. Yeah, everything's solid. I mean, the lockup is solid. It's a little early on your lockup there, but there's no wiggle, there's no nothing there, so it's not too bad. You can get to the lock pretty good. You can see right there, gives you a little bit of extra to grab onto with your thumb. Yeah, it does fly open with the you get your typical back spacers. Yeah, so it's just a quick little unboxing. We'll try it out and see how we like it over time. See how it holds up. Not the sharpest edge in the world, but this knife is, of course, made in China. American design. Kershaw had made in China, of course. So there you guys go. Just a quick little unboxing of this. We'll see how she holds up with really flipping the heck out of it. Maybe even take it apart and see if it goes back together the way it came. Because that's the biggest trick with a lot of these assisted knives from China, is that they tend to, you take them apart to clean them, and then they don't go back together very good. So the big trick will be where the spring is, or what the assisted mechanism is for causing this to flip open, which I do believe is a torsion bar release, which is a little different than the springs. But there you guys go. We will see you the next time on the next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.